Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be talking about 3 things that you need before you get started with affiliate marketing. So let's get into it. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer. And this video is going to be for people who are just getting started with affiliate marketing or people who are thinking about getting started. Now, if you're watching this video, then you probably heard what affiliate marketing is already and you're thinking about getting started. But if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically where you're promoting somebody else's product online through a specific link that's coded to you, which is going to be called an affiliate link. And whenever somebody clicks on your affiliate link and they purchase that product that you're promoting, then you earn a commission. So basically, you're getting paid every time somebody buys a product that you're promoting. Okay, so before I talk about the 3 things that you need before you get started, I just want to first welcome you guys to my channel. And if this is your first time here and you're interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so with that being said, let me talk about the first thing that you're going to need. So the first one is going to be a niche or a niche. Some people pronounce it differently. Tomatoes, it's all the same thing to me. So a niche is going to be a specific category that you're going to be focusing on. Most people make the mistake when they're getting started with affiliate marketing. They look for any niche that is going to make them the most money. But when you're picking a niche, I recommend that you go with one that you're really passionate about. So for example, if you're somebody who is into fitness, who's always eating healthy, who likes to be in shape, you're always on the go, you're active, I would recommend picking the health and fitness niche because that's something that you would be naturally passionate about and it's going to be something that you can do for the long term. Now, if you're somebody who's not even interested at all in health and fitness, you don't even go outside, you don't even like to be active at all, this wouldn't be a good niche to go with because, your heart wouldn't be in it. There's no passion when it comes to this niche if you're not somebody who's active at all or even passionate about health and fitness. So if you go with a niche that you're not passionate about, there's a good chance that you're just going to quit. Because what most people don't realize is when it comes to affiliate marketing, this is a long-term game. This isn't something that's going to make you rich overnight. You're not just going to promote some magic product and then wake up the next morning with $1,000 or $1 million in your bank account. There's plenty of different niches out there that are profitable. Just to give you the top 3, what are going to be called evergreen niches, meaning that they're always going to be in demand. The first one, as I just mentioned, is the health and fitness niche because people are always looking to be in better shape and eat healthier. And the second one is going to be the dating and relationship niche because us as human beings, we have this natural desire to love and to be loved. And the third evergreen niche is going to be the make money niche because people are always looking to make more money. There's always people out there who are unhappy with the jobs they currently have and they're looking to get ahead financially. So those are the 3 evergreen niches. And if any of these are something you would be interested or passionate about, by all means, pick one of these niches. But that doesn't mean there's not other niches out there that aren't profitable. A great example is like the newest technology. That's going to be a separate niche altogether. That's always going to be profitable because there's always new technology coming out. So you can promote any new technology as an affiliate. Now the reason why I say pick a niche that you're passionate about because it's going to be a long-term strategy because you're going to have to create content around this niche. Whether it's going to be videos, writing blog posts, creating posts on Facebook or Instagram. It's going to take a lot of time and energy to create content around this niche unless you're running paid advertisement. Now the second thing that you're going to need before you get started is you're going to need to pick a platform. So what I mean by this is where are you going to be promoting your content or your affiliate products? So you can use social media, obviously. You can use Facebook, Instagram. You can make YouTube videos. You can start a blog and just start writing blog posts around the niche that you're in. You can even do a podcast. Now this is something that people get mixed up with a lot when they get started with affiliate marketing. They figure that they have to be all over the internet. They have to be on every single platform. And I used to have the same mentality, but you're going to be spreading yourself too thin. So I recommend picking a platform and learning how to master it before you move on to another one. So if you're going to be going with YouTube videos, stick with one platform until you learn how to master it before you go to another platform. Because if you're trying to create YouTube videos, then creating content on Facebook, you're trying to build a blog post and do a podcast, you're just going to be spending a lot of energy and you're not going to get the results that you want. because each of these platforms take time to see results. Now, the third thing that you're going to need before you get started is you're going to need to pick a product. So this kind of ties in with picking an affiliate program. So I'm going to just consider that picking a product. But this is where most people get stuck with when they get started with affiliate marketing. They think they need to have the perfect product to promote. They need to have this product that's going to make somebody live happily ever after. But the truth of the matter is, if you pick one good product that you know is going to solve a problem for somebody who's in your niche, I mean, that's going to be good enough to promote. Because there's no such thing as some magic formula or magic pill, magic product that's going to solve every problem in someone's life. Now, if you're wondering what are some programs that you can get started with for affiliate marketing, I mean, the most common ones are going to be Amazon Associates. That's free to get started with, and you can promote any product that is sold on Amazon as an affiliate. Another one that's free to join is called ClickBank.com. This one is popular because you earn way more commissions as opposed to Amazon. But the products that you can promote, they're not as wide as a variety as Amazon is. So I would just recommend checking one of those or both of those programs out and just see how you like it. So those are the three things that you're going to need before you get started with affiliate marketing. But I want to also share a few bonus things. They're not really required, but they do help you grow your business if you're serious about making money using affiliate marketing. And the first one is going to be using an email software service. So basically what this is, it's going to help you grow your email list. And you can, damn, forgot how to spell it. So basically this is going to help you grow your list and get more people interested and potential customers to buy your affiliate products. So if you're just sending people directly to an affiliate product sales page, you're not going to have very much luck like that. What you should do when getting started is create your own landing page, and you're going to capture people's email address. You should be giving something away of value to your target audience in exchange for their email. So now that you have their email, they're going to be added onto your email list, and you can send them a series of emails through an autoresponder sequence or an email software service. The whole purpose of this is so they can build trust with you and you can deliver value through your emails. So when you do this, you're more likely to get those people to buy your affiliate products as opposed to just sending a random stranger to a product they've never even heard of. Now, something else that's a bonus, but it's not required, is a great software called ClickFunnels. I don't know if you guys can see this right here, but basically what ClickFunnels is an amazing software service that's going to increase your chances of getting people to buy your products or your service. It's not just used for affiliate marketing, it's used for online businesses in general. So this is a great way to get people to give you their email address, and you have a higher chance of converting those people into buyers. Now, I just want to give you guys a quick disclaimer. ClickFunnels can be a little bit pricey, especially if you're on a budget. I believe their cheapest plan is like $97 a month. But if you guys want a 2-week free trial just to check it out and see how you like it, I'm going to leave a link down in the description of this video so you guys can try it out for 2 weeks. Well, that's basically the 3 things that you need before you get started with affiliate marketing. And if you guys want to learn more about affiliate marketing in further detail, I have a free ebook down in the description of this video as well called Affiliate Marketing Blueprint, and I go into more detail on what affiliate marketing is and how you can use it to make money online. So I recommend you guys check it out if you guys are serious about getting started using affiliate marketing. And if you guys want to know my personal recommendation when it comes to making money online, check out the first link in the top of the description of this video. Well, that's pretty much it for this one. And if you guys want to see more videos like this, then I invite you to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Well, that's pretty much it. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.